How to Verify TikTok Business Account, Full Guide 2026. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your TikTok business account and get that blue check mark. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Important truth. First, you cannot manually request verification on TikTok like some platforms. TikTok gives verification automatically based on credibility and popularity. Step 1. Switch to business account. Go to Settings, Account, switch to Business Account. Choose your category and complete setup. Step 2. Complete your profile. Make sure your profile looks professional. Profile picture, logo, bio with clear info, website link, consistent branding. Step 3. Be active and consistent. Post regularly, high-quality videos, trending content, valuable or engaging posts. Consistency is key. Step 4. Build authority. TikTok verifies accounts that are well-known, frequently searched, trusted brands or creators. Try to grow followers, get engagement, stay in your niche. Step 5. Get featured outside TikTok. This is very important. Get mentioned on news websites, blogs, social platforms. External recognition increases your chances of verification. Step 6. Follow TikTok rules.